Okay, welcome guys. So welcome to my video channel. So today let's solving this interesting problem. It says the A1 is a half, and they specify the 2k AK equals 2k minus 3 AK minus 1, and you try to prove that k from 1 to n AK sum will less than 1. Okay, so this is a bit of a technical problem. Before I start, let me just quickly introduce my channel. So I'm Eric. If you're the first time come to my channel is about teaching mathematics and physics, or share some interesting mathematical problem for you guys. If you're interested in absolute mathematics in college, then you can check out my video list. Instead, if you want to have some brain teaser just like this, then you can subscribe to my channel. I will upload funny math questions in 1 to 3 days, and I will solve them one by one and share with you guys. Click the notification button and subscribe button so that you will not miss my latest video. And leave the comment below what you want me to do in a future video or want to learn, and be sure to click the like button. So click the like button and subscribe and leave a comment. Okay, so now let's going to see how to prove this. Okay, so this problem is a little bit tricky, right? So we need to do. Okay, so our goal is to show what? Right, show a from 1 to n will less than 1. So it's the same as we show 1 minus k from 1 to n greater than 0. Okay. Okay, so ideally is that we want to use this, right, to get this, right, because there's no other information that we can get. Okay, so how about let's see. So let's say I change k to k plus 1. So I will get this. Okay. And we need to get AK, right? So let's say we do a trick that let's say minus AK will equals to 2k plus 1 AK plus 1 minus 2k AK. Okay. Then right, this is our key point. Okay, so suppose I write this as let's say I sum from k from 1 to n. Okay, so the left hand side will the right hand side will be what we want, and what is the left hand side? So let's see, the left hand side will be let's write down. So will be let's say maybe we extract 2, so we get to k from 1 to n, k plus 1 AK plus 1 minus k AK. Right. So this left hand side is 2 equals to 2 to a2. So k is 1 is 2, right? So a2 minus a1 plus 2a. Oh, sorry, not 2. K will equals to 2. You get 3a2 3a3 minus 2a2. Right. So you see that these two cancel. Right, and the next thing is 4a4 minus 3a3, so cancel, right? So if you do it carefully, then finally you will get the 2, because the middle term always cancel, right? So finally you get you see, if you shift k from 1, you get k plus 1 and k plus 1, so the middle term cancel. Finally you get the 2, let's say n plus 1. So final term is an plus 1 minus the original term, right? Is a1 equals to this. Okay, so this is 2n plus 1 an plus 1 minus 2a1, right? But beginning that amazingly I set a1 to be a half, so the left hand, so this guy will be 1, right? So k from 1 to n, so finally you get 1 minus k from 1 to n equals to 2n plus 1 an plus 1, right? So finally you get this. Obviously since that since you start from this, right? So if k greater or equal to 1, then the AK plus 1 will have the same sign as AK. So that means A2 is greater than 0, A3 is greater than 0, keep going. So everything is greater than 0. So now this term is greater than 0, since n plus 1 is greater than 0. Okay, so this is a very interesting question. Hope you guys think of this solution. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.